Top 3 Lose face fat, cheek fat, slim down face yoga, puffer fish. Benefits. These simple face yoga can help you strengthen facial muscles, get a slim face, and even combat signs of aging. Top tips. 1. With clean hands. 2. Use a moisturizer on your face before performing face yoga. 3. There are main 3 poses following step by step in the video. 4. Each step performs 10 times. Find out your skin priority and free secret natural beauty tips you need to know. Click below. I hope this video has been helpful and you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more and like and comment below.